So today we're going to take a look around this Globecamper. Based on a VW Transporter, 2 litre, 110 brake horsepower. Globecamper is a brand exclusive to us here at SMC. So let's have a look around the van. Based on the T6, this particular model has been fitted with the alloy wheels and the sidebars, give it that extra bit of styling. So the Globecamper is a Volkswagen approved conversion, built on brand new vans, not on used vans. So again, you're getting the benefit of the 3-year warranty from Volkswagen on the vehicle, and then also the warranty on the conversion. So let's have another look at around the back of the van. So I've got some features here that we can talk about. Underneath here we've got the electric hookup for the 240 volt, and then just behind there is also the fill for the underslung gas tank, because this van is fitted with an underslung gas tank, onboard water tank, unlike a lot of conversions. Now moving into the back here, we've got the normal storage area under the bed area, which can be put up to make it larger. We've also got the hanging space in there, and then underneath we've got storage, and the van comes with 2 chairs for outside use in there. Also in the rear of this quality conversion, we have got a shower point, outside shower point there. It does come equipped with step, the outside chairs, you've got a portable chemical toilet, electric hookup lead, all comes with part of the package and is all included in the price. Another feature of this quality conversion is the material used on the pop top. It's not your normal canvas, it has got a waterproof coating on the outside as well. So real high quality, and it has the 3 openings there. So you've got the window at the front and then the 2 side vents. Now while we're also down this side of the van, I will point out it is NCC approved as well. So VW approved and NCC approved. Let's take a look inside of this van. So here we are inside of this van, and you may notice hardly any noise at all in here. It's a really good quality conversion. It's a very windy day here today in Newark, but you can't really tell in this van. So really nice, comfortable place to be. Now looking around, we have got curtains on the side windows and on the rear windows. Then we have a cover that goes across the front window. That is all included in the van, in the conversion. We've got quality cupboards here, which are interchangeable, so if you decided in the future I don't really like the colour of the cupboard doors, you can change them and change the colour. The bed there, the rock and roll bed in the middle, is a rib crash tested bed, so safe for travelling in. If you've got juniors travelling with you, it's also an ISOFIX points on it. Really good quality safe bed. We also have Whale diesel heating in this van. So on these cold days you can put on your heating nice and warm in the van. And then the drop down bed in the roof has got a fully sprung aluminium base to it. Really comfortable place to be. You've got then a memory foam mattress on top of that to help you with a good night's sleep. So in the kitchen area, it's fitted with really nice wooden worktops. We've got 2 gas hobs and a stainless steel sink. Then here we've got the fridge, and up on the side there we've got 2 240 volt power outlets, 2 USBs, there's your level for your onboard gas tank, and then the heater control. The van even comes fitted with a smoke alarm and a carbon monoxide sensor. Up here in the front, in the Volkswagen cab here, we've got air conditioning, radio, nice leather steering wheel, cruise control, all of the extras you'd expect on this type of vehicle. So if you'd like to know more about the Globecamper conversions, please do get in touch with us. Check out our website. We will be at the NEC. Come and see us on our stands. We're on the Frankia stand, we're on the Globecar stand. We also have guys on the Autosleeper, Naus and a Trusco stand. So you can find our guys all over the NEC. Now don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our videos. If you'd like to see more or more comments, please do make comments, because we do like to see them.